How to open Dropbox files on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Dropbox application on your iPhone. Once the app is open, tap on the Files tab at the bottom to view your stored items. Here, you can view all the folders and files you have stored. You will see a list of your items, like folders and files. From here, locate the file you wish to share and tap on it to open a preview. In the File Viewer, tap on Share. From this menu, select the Share Link option and tap on Share To. This allows you to choose how to share, such as creating a share link or exporting a copy. You can now select an app to share the link directly or close the sheet and paste the link elsewhere. Following these steps, you can easily open files from Dropbox on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.